Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Vision 11 and loading the project you will change. Make sure you have a recent backup. Once done, navigate to the state panel in the main workspace so you can see active states. You will need edit privileges. If not, switch to an account with permissions. Next, identify the specific state name and its triggers listed. These will be what you change. Take note of any linked assets so you can restore them if needed. Once the state is selected, inspect its triggers, conditions, and property list. You will change values by clicking each property and entering the new parameter. Explain why you change timing or threshold to avoid unintended behavior. Make sure to update transitions so entry and exit remain consistent. Otherwise, the system may skip the state. If a script or asset is referenced, open it to confirm compatibility. Save incremental versions as you proceed, so you can revert quickly if a change breaks flow. You must now run a focus test to verify the modified state activates and deactivates as intended. Observe logs and frame-by-frame behavior. If timings look off, tweak values and retest. Once satisfied, save and increase the project version so your change is tracked. If something goes wrong, revert to your backup and reapply changes incrementally to isolate the problematic edit. One key troubleshooting tip: check for hidden dependencies like event listeners or latency. They are common causes of.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.